Hi, my name is Alma Burrell, and I am Associate Director at Roots Community Health Center. I'm located here in Santa Clara County, and my duties include overseeing all of the programs and clinical operations at the San Jose, Santa Clara County site. Sometimes I have sore ears by the end of the day, but it's all good. It's all worth it. So when the vaccines first became available, I was initially very hesitant. Even though I work in the healthcare field and health promotion and health prevention is really, that's where my professional history is and that's where my passions are. But for myself, I was very hesitant to take the vaccine. And for a lot of reasons, because one, people of African descent, many of us have a distrust of the health systems. Even though I work in health systems, part of what I do is to help people to get over that and to get through that, get past that. Understanding too that it was affecting my community in particular in really adverse ways, People of African descent were if we contracted the disease, we were more likely to die from it than other groups. And so knowing all that, I was still even a little bit hesitant. And so I determined within myself that I need to know everything that I can learn about this vaccine. And so I said to a friend of mine, I'm going to treat this like a thesis or a research paper. And I'm going to dig and find out everything I can find and listen to everybody that I trust and get their take on it. And I did. And the more that I learned about it, the better I felt. Knowledge is power. And the more I learned about it, the more I came to the decision that, this is something I need to do for myself, for my family, for the people that I work with, and for my community at large. So in January, I elected to be vaccinated. Another thing that really contributed to me getting the vaccine is my mother is 85. And I haven't seen or hugged my mom in over a year. She lives in another state, but I generally would go and visit her and my stepdad, 2 or 3 times a year, and we talk all the time on the phone, but it's just not the same when you can't have that touch. So I really miss my mother, and I really didn't want to put her or my stepdad in any danger. I just think when you make your decision based on knowledge. Don't make your decision based on hearsay. And if you decide to do this, which I encourage people to take the vaccine, take into account your family and your loved ones. It's important. You really don't want them to get sick. And so you're taking the vaccine is not just for yourself, but it's also for the protection of your loved ones and the community.